A message for my ladies only. But if the men are joining, thank you for watching. So, the biggest and bestest thing a woman could do is find a way to create ownership for herself. And what do I mean by ownership? I mean land ownership. Forget the Louboutins, forget the Birkin bag, forget the whatever you want to buy that you can put on your feet or body in some way. Forget it. Forget it all. Forget looking gorgeous all the fucking time. Forget it. Look for land. Gain land. Establish power in the land. Own property. Women need to become owners, and business owners. Women have to start putting their focus towards freedom. Freedom from the society that has continued to keep us at a deficit in knowledge, in money, in health, in every level of life. We have been at a deficit as women. And in order to fix that, we need to become owners. We need to become strong. We need to become smart. We need to become well-read, okay? We have a choice. And now we get to use our free will with the minds that our mothers and our grandmothers didn't get a chance to even come close to having. The intelligence that we have been granted since our freedom was given to us is immense. And this is our time now, ladies. This is our time. Don't let the men take it from you. Make sure you sign prenups. Don't let them take your property. These men out here gold digging too, ladies. Remember that. All right? So, my ladies, and we're going to refer to the male gold digger. He's gold digging your energy. He's gold digging your assets. He's gold digging your beauty. And he's using your social importance and your social standing to benefit himself and upgrade himself and make himself look more like a G because you're a G, but he doesn't want you to know that. So girls, listen. Become focused on learning how to own property and build it up yourself. Property ownership is power, it's freedom, and it's going to allow you to give you time to think. It's very expensive to be poor, ladies. Remember that. So focus on building your wealth and assets. I think that was enough of a message. So my ladies, I love you. I'm a girl's girl. Fuck these boys. But just kidding. I love the boys too. Anyways, y'all have a good day. This is En Route and I'm out.